This is Brad Kaufman at Catamaran Gurus in Annapolis at the Boat Show 2025. I'd like to give you a quick tour of the new Bali CatSpace. This is a 2025 model that we have available. So let's take a more quick look. The Bali back door drops down, closes the whole salon. It's the most usable space for a 40-foot boat of its size. I love the forward-facing nav station and galley. A big window, bay window opens up. This is an owner's version. Let's pop down, take a look. Easy access to the bed from either side. It's a nice little seating area, vanity. And then looking forward, there's your shower and sink. And you can install a washer dryer in this compartment here in the owner's side. Walking over to the starboard side, you've got two separate berths. And what's nice about the CatSmart is the forward berth gets you a bunk, a thwartship. This is also a sleeping area. This pulls out. You can actually add another person there. There's your head. Shower up top. So on the starboard side, it's a wet head. And then going aft, nice big berth as well. And then there's your third shower and head. And walking forward is your flybridge, large sunbathing area. Seating on the other side. This specific one is outfitted with a Code Zero. Sun awning forward. Nice seating area. But she's still available for sale. This is, again, a 2025 Bali CatSpace. We just took delivery. The boat was delivered on a cargo ship into Baltimore, Maryland, and it's currently at the boat show. Message me or call me at 410-279-6150 if this boat might be of interest.